Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you the quickest and easiest way to find your Cloudflare account ID in 2025. Whether you're setting up a new integration, troubleshooting, or just need that account ID for your records, this tutorial will have you locating it in no time. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and feel totally confident the next time you work inside Cloudflare. Let's get started right away. First up, you'll want to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. That's -cloudflare.com. Simply open your browser, head to that address, and enter your credentials. If you've got two-factor authentication enabled, take a moment to grab your phone or authentication app. Don't worry if it takes a second to remember your password. That happens to all of us. Once you're in, you should land on the account home page. But if you manage multiple accounts or only see one website right off the bat, take a second to make sure you're on the broader account dashboard, not just inside a specific site settings. Cloudflare organizes things almost like layers. At the top level is your account, and inside that are all your various properties. So for this, we want that high-level overview. Now, look for your account name, usually displayed along the left menu or at the top corner, depending on Cloudflare's current design. Even though Cloudflare likes to tweak the interface now and then, they always make your account name pretty prominent. So scanning for it shouldn't take long. If you happen to have multiple accounts tied to your email, maybe because you manage clients or different businesses, you'll see them all listed here. Just pick the one you need the ID from. Next, this is the key part. Right next to your account name, you'll see a small menu icon, usually represented by 3 tiny dots or a little hamburger icon. If you're on mobile, these icons might be stacked in a dropdown, so don't stress if it looks a bit different. Go ahead and click or tap on those 3 dots. This will expand a handy menu with various account options. Among those choices, look for an option called Copy Account ID. It's simple but powerful. The moment you click that, Cloudflare automatically copies your unique account ID straight to your clipboard. It's sort of like Cloudflare handing you your own digital fingerprint. This string of characters is what identifies your account for API integrations, support requests, or anywhere you need to prove, yes, this is my Cloudflare account. If you don't see the option right away, don't panic. Sometimes it can take a moment for menus to populate, or maybe you're clicking in a slightly different spot. Try expanding the full account details, or even reloading the page if the menu gets stuck. Just little troubleshooting tips that can save you a headache. Once it's copied, you can paste that ID wherever you need it, into an email, your code editor, or a support ticket. I'd recommend keeping it somewhere secure but handy, just in case you need it again soon. And that's really all there is to it. With these few clicks, you've got your Cloudflare account ID without any digging around in documentation or old emails. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really boosts the channel. Got a question or a snag along the way? Drop it in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.